Hey guys, it's Miss Smith here, and today this video is going to be going over creating folders and kind of like organizing your work for while we're doing distance learning, okay? So let's say this is my Google Drive. This is one of my personal Google Drives that I have, and notice I have like a bunch of like random folders. Okay, so how should we start building our like organization? So what I'm gonna do first, if it was me, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make a new folder and I'm gonna title it distance learning. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and click create. Okay, and so there is my folder. Now, when I open that folder, I'm going to go ahead and go in and, sorry, I'm going to go ahead and make a folder within that folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click new folder. And so obviously, depending on how many classes you're doing this distance learning, I would create 4 folders, again, because we're on a block. So 4 folders. So let's say this is your schedule. So I have biology as a course, so I'm going to make a folder for that. Let's say I'm also doing English, or excuse me, not English, ELA. That is a folder. Let's say I'm also taking art 1 or 2, depending on what it is. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead and make a folder for, let's say I have world history. So let's say these are my classes. Now, it makes it a lot easier as far as like when you are trying to find assignments. Okay, so for example, let's say I have this assignment right here. Okay, I made a copy of it, right? I've worked on it. And I just want to put it in the appropriate folder so that way when I upload the assignment, I know exactly where I can find it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move it. And the move button will be right up here. So you're going to click move. And then all I'm going to do is just move this document into that specific folder. So this twins article, I'm going to move it to my biology folder because that's where this assignment is for my biology class. So I'm going to go to my distance learning folder. And then within that folder, I'm going to click my NGSS biology because that's the class that this assignment is for. And I'm just going to move it there. That's it. This is just for organizing your work, okay? This is not you turning in your assignment, whether you are turning in assignments for Jupyter or Google Classroom, depending on, how your teacher wants you to turn in assignments. All this video is just a way for you to organize your assignments so that way you know where it is in case you need to go back and edit, change it, etc., just to make it easier for you to find them. I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.